The divorce has nearly drawn to a close. I've been forced to face head-on a lot of personal challenges over this past summer. It has been a difficult struggle, I won't lie to you, but I've endured, and I've had much time to reflect. And I've been doing a lot of thinking, a big ol' ass ton of it. But I'm getting stir-crazy now. My hands have been idle for way too long, and my creatively active mind just will not rest. My little boy Eddie has asked me the same question twice, right to my face, in the most sympathetic way imaginable. He asked me, "Dad, when are we going to work on the house again?" But I could only answer him with the phrase, "I can't right now." But then I've thought about it a little more, really hard. I am so bored with waiting for something to happen. Welcome to the Rundown Reborn channel.
She got the Mercedes.
First of all, I don't wish a divorce on anyone. I believe the slow erosion in the marriage was a direct result of poor mutual communication and an inability for both my wife and I to learn how to truly support each other the way we each needed support. I believe that we never fully understood each other's true needs, and we just didn't really know how to explain it to each other and guide ourselves fully and intentionally toward unity. This is what I believe. I can now confidently move forward with a healthy level of peace and acceptance and renew focus on my children and on myself. Now, if you are married or planning to be, I urge you to go purchase and read the book, Men Are From Mars, Women Are From Venus. This book speaks about being intentional with your communication and actions toward your partner in life. It gives you both permission to be who you are and challenges each of you to respect your inherent God-given gender differences with newfound understanding and situational awareness. Over the summer, my brother bought me a new study Bible to accompany this book, and my intention is to continue to study to improve myself as a man, a father, and a human being under God's watchful eye for the better. I'm beginning with the book of John. I have learned that I alone have the power to change myself, and I must remain aware and intentional in my journey through life from this point forward. I now believe it's time for me to get reorganized and reconditioned into a new mission to finish what I have started here in this house until a court orders me to either liquidate it or move out. I want to finish it for myself and for my boys, and to feed this beloved channel that I still remain hopeful will soon reach its full potential.
Thank you.
You have a wonderful day.
You too.
sir.
Seeing this project ahead to its completion appears daunting. Everything around me is disorganized, partially finished, or just on hold for one reason or another in my mind. I must develop a way to get organized and get my head around the full scope of what lies ahead. In architecture, we implement a simple but effective tool for getting the construction process wrapped up towards completion. It is referred to as a punch list. This is not that much different than a honey-do list that you may be more familiar with. At home, a honey-do list is a great way to get your life organized and perhaps organize your weekend to become more productive and to appease your honey in your marriage. The more tasks you complete, perhaps the happier your honey becomes. A punch list is a way to line item all of those miscellaneous things that need to be resolved and completed in order to get final approval for completion of a construction project. It becomes a checklist so that when each task is completed, the project is one step closer to completion, and so are you. So for me, I want to construct a punch list. It needs to be flexible so that I can add more tasks for resolution to it as they present themselves. But I also want to make it visually organic so it doesn't have any chronology to it. And I want it to be readily available so that it can be referred to on a daily basis for me and to serve as a constant reminder and inspiration. I want the list development to be an intentional action and have it keep me situationally aware of where my project stands in its present state at any point in time. So I've decided to use these sticky notes to represent each task that needs to be resolved in order to reach my goal of project completion. I can then remove a task from the punch list once it is completed and add a task to it at any time. Then at a moment's glance, I can assess my current state. Each morning, I can pick a task or two to attack head on and get resolved. The list breaks down the overwhelming project mission into manageable bites of progression. I can enjoy a small victory each day and feel like progress is being made consistently. Yeah, this is definitely the first step. But before I go, there is one more thing I would like to convey to you in this video. I want to tell you that I believe I have a wonderful story to share with you. And I believe it is going to be an interesting one, with some really big and bold ideas ahead. I want to let you know that this Rundown Reborn channel is taking a new direction, and hopefully it is a direction you will embrace. I'm going to continue to share my do-it-yourself knowledge and crackerjack wisdom with you as I see the world and understand it. Trust me when I say this. I will find a personal balance and I will realize progress somehow and in some way. And I plan to share the journey with you, so help me God. My boys watch this channel too occasionally, and I will do everything in my power to show them with the utmost clarity that no man should ever just lie down and give up. And I want to show them that good men are strong, good men are focused, good men are kind and generous, and good men are provident and balanced. Good men can indeed love unconditionally and learn to listen. Please consider subscribing and continue the support you give this channel. Like and share the videos. Leave comments and all the other things every other YouTube channel asks you to do. It is very helpful to the success and growth of this channel. I need your support now more than ever, and I thank you for it. Join me and visit often and engage in what's to come. I have no plans to disappoint you if you do. So thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.